what is the project that we are doing, why we are doing, how we are going to do, and what is the time limitation. Here I request all the children to participate along with me. Especially our mission is, we are working with a mission, and our mission is to enter into a Sainik school or into a Navodaya. Right? In India we are having 33 Sainik schools are there. In India, throughout the country, we are having 33 Sainik schools are there. And our aim is, we have to try to enter into that institution. Why? Why should we enter into that institution? Because the curriculum, the standard, the area, if you take any Sainik school, it is not less than 50 acres land. The space, you can enjoy a space, you can enjoy a better curriculum. Only selective students will be coming there. Only selective students will be coming there. So it is purely based on selection. Okay. It is not electing, it is selecting the student. So only the efficient student will be coming over there. And the curriculum where we see is the CBSE syllabus curriculum is there, but 50% of the student will be in the ground. So 50% of your time you will be spending in the ground, outdoor. That is going to improve your physical stamina. That is going to improve your activeness. There are number of swimming pools. The infrastructure is wonderful infrastructure. The curriculum is wonderful, the infrastructure, the food which is given is produced there. They give the best nutritious food there. And you have the students coming from different places who are of equal age to you. And the faculty who teach are extraordinary faculty you have. See, in a normal school you cannot have a horse to ride, but there you have the horse riding, you have so many things. That kind of infrastructure is not possible for the normal institutions. And the preparation is always towards serving the motherland. You are always ready to serve the motherland. So that is a kind of patriotic person you are going to become. You are going to become a great patriotic person, a great disciplined person. Especially in the Sainik school, the most important thing what we learn, what we nurture is discipline. Discipline in every aspect. Discipline of time. You have to get up at that time, go to bed at that time, time discipline. Your every aspect, your dress code discipline, discipline of your dress code, discipline of your work, in every aspect discipline. Once a person is disciplined, when I am talking, some children are swinging the legs. Don't swing the leg. That is the discipline. When I am talking, don't swing the legs. I want to see a kind of discipline in you. When you are sitting, when you are listening to the class, discipline is very important. When a person is being disciplined, definitely he can achieve better things. He can live a better life. So, the Sainik school is going to make a person a disciplined person. Most of the problems come in the society because of indiscipline, and that will be corrected in the Sainik schools. You can get a doubt, why should I enter there? These are all the advantages I am telling you to enter there. And one can enter there only when, if mother says or father says that you have to go, no, it's not possible. You must have an ambition. Come on, I must give my best. And a day must come that the gates are open for me, gates are not open for all. In 33 Sainik schools, each school they are taking only 60 students, 60 to 70 students, depending on. And this year they are planning to open another 100 more. So throughout the country, only 3,000 children or 4,000 children are getting an opportunity. At the maximum, 5,000 children will get an opportunity. But the number of students who are trying for it will be in lakhs. Because the whole country, length and breadth of the country, right from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, many children like you will be trying for it. But selective students are being selected. First, you have to clear the examination. The examination is the first phase. And and that examination mostly will be conducted in the month of January first week mostly. So the notification will be given in the month of near about September, October, like that you get the notification, and the examination will be finished off. By January you will be finishing the examination. So this is now we have July, August, September, October, November. These are the 5 months for the preparation. This is a preparation. December completely we have to practice solving the question paper. And in the month of January first week we will be writing the examination. And once the examination you are clearing it, then you will be called for the medical test. That is the next phase. In that medical test, for every 3 members, 1 member will be selected. Again 2 members will be rejected. So in that way, the final phase is there. So here a student should be physically strong, his eyesight, his hearing abilities, all these things are being observed. And at the same time, the student should be academically strong. So it requires physical strength and also academic strength. So these are the things that are needed to enter. And here it is our team, it is a teamwork. It is not that I am coming and telling you something or you are learning. No, no, no. All of us are learning together. We are all learning together. That is possible only when there is a perfect discipline should be established. Perfect discipline should be established. And you must have a vision that yes, this mission, I have to give my best in this mission. Every single student have to give their best. And the team of teachers will be supporting you to the best, to their best. The only thing is you must be ready to take it. This is the thing what is needed. What is needed. And single day of your absence, you have to remember from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, many of them are already running. If one day you are absent, 100,000 people will be overtaking you. So you must be disciplined in every aspect. And this particular session of the preparation for Sainik we are giving even in our channel also. It is Swarna Bharati channel. So that this will be useful for the children, those who are located at any place, anywhere in the country. That is the reason why we are trying to record the class. So my dear friends, some of the people can connect us even by the channel through also. You can send us your name and your class and your place, and you can get connected with us. And we will be very much thankful for the parents, those who are supporting the children using this channel too. And my dear friends, today let us have a small discussion about a small topic. Shall we have a small discussion about today's small discussion is about the place value and face value. Already we have discussed. Once again we are trying to repeat it. And my dear friends, please try to understand and see, if you go anywhere, number is very important. Without knowing the number, we cannot say anything. What is the population of this country? Nearly about 135 crores of people. See, we are using a number to tell. Right? What is your weight? Okay, you can say, my weight is 60 kgs. So you are using a number. Everywhere we require a number. What is the circumference of this earth? Nearly about 44,000 kilometers. So you are using a number. What is the distance between the planet Earth and the Sun? That is nearly about 150 million kilometers. So we are using a number here. See, to discuss about anything, we are using the numbers. So we must have an idea about what is this number system and how to write a number and how to tell the number. See, I am not going to tell you in detail, you can understand it. Just one example I am giving you. Later you can understand it. Now in our day-to-day life, let us see in our day-to-day life. If I say bring 5 chocolates, you know what is the meaning of 5. I need not tell. This is a units place. Okay, if I say bring 55 chocolates, then also you know that 50 plus 5. So the place value of this 5 is this also 5, but its place value is it is given in the tens place. So its place value is 5 into 10, that is 50. Its face value is 5, but its place value is 50. Here its face value is 5, place value also is 5. And if I give another number 5, this is in the hundreds place. So in this particular case, what is the place value of this particular 5? That is 500. So the value is 500, 150 is there, 15 is there. 555. This is a hundreds place. These three are common in both international or Indian system. Up to here it is common. And next, we are saying thousands place. Here this is a thousands place. In thousands place, the place value is 1000. So what is the value here? So 5555. 5555. If a 5 is given in this place, its value is multiplied with the 1000. That is a thousands place. Next is 10,000 place. This is a 10,000 place. 55,555. It's a 10,000 place. So this 5 must be multiplied with the 10,000. That is a place value of it. Next, after 10,000, next comes lakhs. 1 lakh. Here 5 lakhs, 55,555. Now this is a lakhs place. After every 3 digits we are putting a comma. Next 2 digits there is a comma. Means if we have to be careful in putting commas. In Indian system, first comma comes after 3. Next all the rest of the commas comes after 2 digits. Next 5. This is a 10 lakhs place. 55 lakhs, 55,555. Now let us have a number up to here. Okay, next is a crores place. Means 5 crores, 55,000, 5 crores, 55 lakhs, 55,555. Now you came up to 10 crores place. This is a 10 crore place. 55 crores, 55 lakhs, 55,555. Just for an example I am given you. This is the way we will be writing the number. This is the number. My dear friends, first is units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. This is the Indian system. In this Indian system, you have to practice more and more. Here, write the smallest 3-digit number. What is the answer? You will be telling 3-digit number. The smallest one is 100. What is the largest 3-digit number? That is, what is the largest 3-digit number? When a friend asks you what is the largest 3-digit number, they tell you 999. Similarly, smallest 5-digit number. When any person asks smallest number means 5-digit number means put 1 followed by all zeros. That becomes 5-digit number and that's the smallest. Smallest 6-digit number, that is means 1 lakh. 1 lakh becomes the smallest 6-digit number. I think now you understood how to identify the smallest 6-digit number or 5-digit number or 4-digit number or whatever it is. Smallest number means 1 followed by rest all zeros. That is the smallest number. If it is asked 7-digit number, 7-digit number which must be the smallest. Then 1 followed by 6 zeros. Total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So always the smallest number is 1 followed by number of zeros. That is the smallest number. And next is largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number. Always remember in the word largest came means all 9 should come. Okay, all 9 should come. Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number you are now putting 5 nines. How many nines you are taking? 5 nines you are taking. Understood? This is the largest 5-digit number. 99,999. 99,999. This is the largest. Now my dear friends, a question will be asked like this. A question will be asked. See, from this different types of questions can be framed. I am trying to give an example. I am trying to give an example to you. Now my dear friends, For example, I am giving 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 0, 1. These are the given numbers. From these given numbers, I have given some numbers. Frame the largest possible number. Frame the biggest possible number. If I am using all the numbers, frame the biggest number. Then what you have to do? You have to go for the ascending order and the descending order. All of you know the ascending order. Ascending order means, for example, you are moving from smaller one to the bigger one. This is called ascending order. Arohana means keep on increasing. What is the least one among all? The least one among all is, which is the least one among all? 0. After that, 1. After that, see. Next is 2. Is the least. Next is 3. Next is 5 is there. Next is 7 is there. And next is 9 is there. This is the ascending order of the number. You all know about it. I did not tell. Which number is the largest among all? 9 is the largest. Which is the smallest among all? 0 is the smallest. Okay. 5 is bigger than 3. 7 is bigger than 5. 9 is bigger than 7. Understood? You know about all these things. I did not know. Now, you have to frame a highest number. How do you frame? Then you go to an order there. Highest 5-digit number. I asked you to frame a highest 5-digit number without repeating the numbers. I am asking you not to repeat the numbers. Now, which is the highest one? 9. Next highest one? 7. Next 5, 3, 2. Finish. Because I asked only 5-digit number. Now, what the answer you take? You say it is 97,532. That is the highest 5-digit number. If I say here highest 6-digit number, then you will take this also. Now, the answer is 9,75,321. If I say I want a 7-digit number largest, then I will put even that 0 also. I am now using the 0 also. Now, what is the number becoming? 97,53,210. That is the largest number that can be possible. Using the given numbers, what is the largest number? This is the largest number. Understood, my dear friends? Now, in a question, frame a least number. Using these numbers, frame the least number possible. In that particular case, least 7-digit number we asked it. Now, you can go for 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this doesn't consider, this is not considered as a 7-digit number. Because 0 is at this end. So 0 is of no value. 0 is not having any value. So in this particular case, what we have to do? We have to change the position of 0 and 1. We have to change the position of 0 and 1. Understood, my dear friends? Because if 0 is there in the first place, that number becomes a 6-digit number. So 0 we have to take it in the next place. This is the only exception we have to do. Understood, my dear friends? So now the number is now becoming 10,23,579. This is the least number that can be framed using these numbers. In this case, we have seen that if 0 is the first place, that is not considered. This point you have to remember this. Now, he can ask you a question like this. Find the difference of the numbers which is formed by the highest number and the least number. He can even ask a question like that. Now, in this particular section, you understood how to write the highest number, how to write the least number. Now, the Indian system, now you understood where the crores place is, tens crores place is. I request all of you to do homework on this. See, for everything I will be telling only the introduction. You have to practice and you have to do the homework based on that. Now my dear friends, now let us see the same thing in the international system. See, there is a system called international system and this is accepted throughout the world. This is accepted throughout the world. Now let us see the international system also. Now in this particular system again we are going 5 units place, 55, tens place, 555. This is in the hundreds place. I already told you about the place value and the face value, the same. I am not repeating again. 500, this is the thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place. We call it as 100,000. 555, 100,000, 555, 100,000, 555. This is the way in which you read it. Here, you are now putting the comma after every 3 digits. And then after 1,000, then comes the million. Then comes the million. Million comes here. No lakhs, no crores. Here next comes a million. So 5 millions, 555,000, 555. So next is 10 millions, 55 millions, 555,000, 555. Next is 100 millions, 555 millions, 555,000, 555. After millions comes a billion. After million comes a billion. 5 billion, 555 million, 555,000, 555. This is important. After million comes the billion. After billion, thousand billions. 55,000 billions, 555 millions, 555,000s, 555. Similarly, this is 100 billion. 555 billions, 555 million, 555,000, 555. After billion comes a trillion. Comes a trillion. 5 trillion, 555, 555 million, 555,000, 555. Similarly, after trillion, 1,000 trillions, 55 trillions, 555 trillions. So now, in this thousands, millions, billions, trillions, this is the thing that now I am giving a homework for you. 1 million is equal to dash lakhs. You have to write, you have to tell me. 1 million. See, 1 million means you will be taking only up to here. Only up to here. You are taking only up to here. Right? So, in this particular case, my dear friends, okay, in the international system you observe the commas are always used only after every 3 digits. In the international system you have to put a comma after every 3 digits. Please read. In the Indian system it's not like that. First 3 comma, next onwards 2 digits. Okay, right. Now see here. 1 million means up to here. Up to here. Now in the place of 5 you are putting 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you put in the Indian system. So what is the number becoming? The number is becoming 10 lakhs. So 1 million is nothing but equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is nothing but equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. In 1 million, how many lakhs are there? There are 10 lakhs are there. In 1 million. Now let us see in one more case. In 1 billion. 1 billion. How many? See here. When I am taking billion, I have to go here. So here I have to put 1. How many zeros I have to put now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 zeros I have to put. See here. 9 zeros I have to put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, coming to the, now see here. How many we can say? Units, thousands, lakhs, 100 crores. 100 crores is nothing but 1 billion. In 1 billion, how many crores are there? 100 crores are there. In that way, you can have a conversion between international system and the Indian system. you can have a conversion between international system and the Indian system. Now you came to know what is there in the Indian system and what is there in the international system. And how to write the largest number and how to write the smallest number. From a given set of numbers, if you are coming from ascending order, if you are going in the ascending order, you get the smallest number. But in the ascending order, the first number should not be 0. After 0, what is the minimum number? That should be the units place. Otherwise, that digit is becoming 1 digit less than that, because you are starting with 0. 0 should not be the first number. That should be known to you. Next, to write out the largest number, you have to go in the descending order. So you have to take the first number first and go the descending order. So I think now in this session you understood how to write the Indian system, international system, and how to find out the largest number and smallest number. You take number of examples and keep writing the smallest number, keep writing the largest number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? You came to know. 1 followed by 4 zeros. What is the largest 4-digit number? All 4 nines. Now you understood how to identify the largest number and the smallest number of the particular given digit. This comes with your practice. How many of you are ready to do the practice? Now I am asking you a question. I am asking a question. Come on, all of you. Please try to write down. Please try to open your book and start writing down. Start writing down. Now I am giving a question to you and I am giving. Please try to understand. Please try to write it down. Write the smallest 6-digit number. Write the smallest 6-digit number. So 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 followed by 5 zeros. So that nothing but it is equal to 1. In that way you conduct a game to yourself. Okay. Conduct a game to yourself. What is the largest 7-digit number? Largest 7-digit number you have to know, right? All 7 nines you have to put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means how much? 99 lakhs, 99,999. Now my dear friends, when I am telling a number, you can say a number like this. 2 crores and 22. 2 crores and 22. Say what is nothing? Nothing is there in between. 2 crores. Now lakhs place, nothing is there. Thousands place, nothing is there. Hundreds place, nothing is there. And 22. How do you read this number? 2 crores and 22. See, if a person is telling a number like this, you know the position. So, all the rest of the numbers you have to put zeros. For example, you must know where to put a zero. When a particular number is not given, that number you have to take that zero. You must learn, please I request you, learn how to write a number. This is very important. Now these two numbers systems you came to know. You came to know about the first task. Today we are going to give the first task to you. In that first task we are going to give the examples of these. Please learn all the spellings of 1 crore, lakh, thousand, hundred, write it down and practice. Million, billion, trillion, write down the spellings. Madam will be writing the spellings. Please learn the spellings. Thank you very much for listening to my class.